Welcome to our new video. You guys are or if you did not subscribe our channel yet, then please go and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon as well so that you can get the notifications of our new videos. Okay, so let's see the today's problem. So the today's problem is a rescue game. Okay, so let's try to solve this problem. Okay, so here we have given some problem statement. The problem statement is to rescue a hostage, Spider-Man has to fight with N monsters. Okay, and the health of ith monster is HI. Okay, Spider-Man can do the following two operations. Choose one monster and decrease its health by 1. Okay, and the operation 2 chooses one monster and his health will become 0. Okay, so Spider-Man wins if all the monsters' health become 0 or below. Note, he can use only 2 operations at most k times. Okay, uh, so we have to find the minimum number of times Spider-Man needs to do the operation 1 before winning. Okay, okay, decrease its health by 1. Okay, so in input we have given two integers, that is n and k. Okay, and in second line contains n integers, that is a1 a2 up to an. Okay, and we have to find the minimum number of times Spider-Man needs to do the operation 1 before winning. Okay, so here you can see that we have given some sample input and output for this. Okay, and here we have given some action for this sample input, that is by using the operation 2 on the third monster and doing operation 1 4 times on the first monster. Okay, and once on the second monster, the Spider-Man can win with 5 operation 1. Okay, so this is the sample input and output for this problem. Okay, so in this problem, we have to find whether how many number of ways, minimum number of times Spider-Man needs to do the operation 1. That is this one. Chooses one monster and decrease its health by 1. Okay, this operation, how many times Spider-Man can do before winning. Okay, so to do this, what we can do to do this operation, simply we have to minus or subtract the k, sorry, what it is. Okay, n and k. Okay, so to do this we have to minus, this is n and this is k. Okay, so we have to minus or subtract this k from n, that is n minus k. Okay, and the output of this, we have to do this operation till this operation result. Okay, let's suppose here is n is 3 minus 1. Okay, so the output of this should be 1. 3 minus 1, 2. Okay, so we can do the addition up to second number, that is output of this. That means we can run the for loop till the second index. Okay, in array. Okay, That means we can run the for loop I is less than n minus k, n minus k, that is 2 in this sample input. Okay, so and we have to add this element up to n minus k. Okay, we have to do the addition, that is we can run this for loop till second index, that is this one. So we'll add this 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1 equals to 5. Okay, this is the output, you can see that. Okay, so we have to uh, apply this logic to solve this problem. Okay, here as well in second sample input we'll see. Okay, we'll minus this 8 minus 9, so the output of this will be minus 1. Okay, so the for loop we can run, that is I it's less than this n minus k, that means this value, that is minus 1. Okay, so this condition is not going to true because we'll run the for loop from I equals to 0. So this statement becomes false. So simply here we'll declare, before this for loop we have to declare one variable, that is let's suppose sum, and we'll assign it to 0. Okay, and if this condition is not true, then simply here we'll print the sum, print sum. So this so in this sample input, this for loop, this condition is not going to it is false. So we'll go to the print statement, and in print statement we'll return the value of sum, which is initially 0. Okay, so the output should be 0 for this problem or sample input. Okay, so we have to apply this logic to solve this problem. Okay, so let's try to write the code for this problem. Okay, so first we'll write the scanner class to take the input from the user. Scanner sc equals to new scanner system.in. Then we have to take two numbers, that is n and k. Okay, so first we'll take integer n equals to sc dot next int. Then we'll take second number, that is k equals to sc dot next int. Okay, after that we'll declare one array. So we'll write integer array equals to new int, and inside this we'll pass the size of the array. Okay, now we'll write the for loop to take the array inputs. So integer I equals to 0, then I it's less than n, I plus plus. Okay, and inside this for loop we have to write array of I sc dot next int. Okay, so we have taken the array elements as an input. Okay, So now what we can do, we'll simply sort this array. Okay, by using the arrays dot sort method. Okay, so here we can write arrays dot sort, and inside this we'll pass the array name. Okay, this will sort the array. Okay, after that, what we can do, we'll simply declare one variable. Let's suppose we'll declare sum and we'll initialize it with 0. Okay, now we'll write the for loop integer I equals to 0, then I is less than n minus k, and I plus plus. Okay, and inside this for loop, we'll add the array elements and we'll store it in sum. So here we'll write sum plus equals to, or we can write sum equals to sum plus array of I. Okay, we can write like this as well. Okay, after that we'll directly print the sum. So here we'll write system.out.println, and inside this we'll pass the sum. Okay, so we have written the code. Let's try to run this code. So I'll just copy this input and let's paste it in input. Let's click on run and let's see whether it works or not. Okay, output is showing. Okay, see, you can see that output is 5, which is correct. Now let's try to run this second test case. So I'll copy this. Let's paste it here. Click on run. The output should be 0 for this sample input. Okay, so you can see output is 0, which is correct. Okay, now let's see for this third sample input. So I'll copy this. Let's paste it here. Simply click on run. Okay, so the output for this sample input should be this. Okay, you can see that output is correct. Okay, so let's submit this code and let's see whether all the test cases will pass or not. So click on submit. Now the test cases are running. It takes a few seconds. Okay, so here you can see that all the test cases has been passed. Okay, so that's it in this video. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।